Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about human physiology. What is human physiology? Human physiology is the branch of medical science deals with the study of normal functioning of human body and its mechanism. Physiology comes from the Greek word physis plus logia. Physis means nature or origin, logia means study of. So, it is the study of origin or nature. In simple words, physiology is the science of life. It involves all the mechanisms that works to keep the human body alive and functioning. It focuses on how cells and molecules, tissues, organs and organ system inside our body communicate, how they work and combine their efforts to carry out all the vital processes and make the condition favorable for the survival. We study physiology in two parts: cellular physiology and systematic physiology. Cellular physiology is the study of functioning of cell and their interactions. It focuses on membrane transport and neuron transmission. In systematic physiology, we deals with the study of complex biological systems. So, human physiology is the study of mechanical, physical, and biochemical functions of the body. As we know, there are four levels of organization of human body. First level is the basic level, that is the molecular or the cellular level. Second level is the tissue level, and third one is the organ level. And the last level, that is the fourth level, is the organ system level. In the basic or cellular level, we study all the biochemical substances that are necessary for the cell to live and function. At the tissue level, we study different groups of tissues, for example, epithelial, nervous, muscular tissue, and connective tissue. Organ consists of two more tissues that are specialized to perform a particular function. For example, stomach, liver, kidney, heart, and lungs. An organ system consists of group of organs that works together to perform a complex function. For example, mouth, esophagus, stomach, small and large intestine constitute the digestive system that performs the process of digestion. As you are watching this video, your eyes and brain are constantly working together. Did you know that we don't see through our eyes, actually we see with our brains? As light hits the retina, the process of sight begins. The photoreceptor present in the eye convert light into the electrical signals and sent via optic nerve to the brain. Then brain turns the signal into the images you see. Ears also convert sound wave into the electrical waves, which are also conveyed to the brain, and the brain processes these signals allow us to hear. We need oxygen to survive. As we are constantly breathing in and out and taking up the oxygen that reaches to our lungs and then travels throughout our body and reaches to each and every cell of the body and gives our cell the ability to break down the food in order to get energy we need to survive. Our heart beats constantly at the rate 70 beats per minute and pumps the blood throughout our body. These are the few samples of functioning that occur inside our body every second to maintain life. And this is the human physiology. Now the question arises, what is the purpose of physiology? Why the human body works through the activities of interconnected organ systems? And the answer is to maintain homeostasis. Homeostasis is a self-regulating process, that is the body's ability to maintain a stable internal environment that are optimal for the survival. For example, thermoregulation. We will learn more about homeostasis in the another video.